Down a little bit, that gives you a nice overlook. You want to get off? Bus runs every 10 minutes. If you want to keep on riding, that's fine. It's getting up to green seats, please.
Alright guys, so we've made it to Hopi Point here at the Grand Canyon National Park in Arizona. And we are about to witness, for my first time, the sunset over the Grand Canyon. How far down that goes. You can see the Colorado River down there. Or a hint of it. Oh, actually that's it. See it right there. Huge. Wow. There goes the sun.
The next day.
Hey guys, welcome back. We're still doing our road trip from Atlanta all the way up to Monterey, California, and we're actually going to San Francisco, but today we're in Flagstaff, Arizona, and we're going to be checking out this mansion behind me. It's the Riordian mansion, and we're here at the crack of dawn. Well, not really dawn, but it opens at 9:30 Mountain Time. And myself and this other couple here and my co-pilot were the first ones. So here we are at the entrance. We're going into the visitor center. Then we're gonna go check out the mansion. It's a state historic park. So right now we are inside of the visitor center for the Riordian mansion in Flagstaff, Arizona. And we are waiting for the first guided tour of the day. This gave us a lot of time to check out artifacts and to learn about the families that lived in the house that built the town of Flagstaff. Alright, so we are in the courtyard or the front yard of the mansion. You know what would be nice? To come see it in the Christmas time because they light it up for Christmas. Yeah. It's huge though. So this must have been like really bougie back in the 1800s when they built this thing. Alright guys, there's two things I wanted to point out that I really like about the house. Right above this window here you can see some stained glass. This one doesn't show as much because it's green, but all the way on the other side, and we're gonna walk this curved driveway. That is awesome. I gotta check and see if there's more. Oh yeah, all around this side. To keep it simple, two brothers, their wives and kids lived together under the roof of this house. They each had their own living quarters with their own kitchens, bedrooms, bathrooms, etc., but shared common space in the rooms that joined both units of the house together. These brothers ran the lumber company that employed most of the people around the area. Alright guys, well we are just finishing up the tour of the Riordian mansion here in Flagstaff, Arizona. Really interesting, and now it's time for us to hit the road and head on over to the Hoover Dam. Alright guys, we are on the way to the Hoover Dam, but we're pulling over to take a scenic view of Lake Mead and the views of, where are we? Are we in Nevada, California? I don't know. But that's the view we're checking out. Stretching our legs for a minute. Alright guys, well, we've made it to the Hoover Dam. First stop, we're checking out the view from the bridge, and then we will be going to the Hoover Dam Visitor Center and then ultimately onto the Hoover Dam. So next stop, the bridge view. Alright guys, well, we are on the bridge alongside the roadway going toward Las Vegas, and I am getting my first glimpse of the Hoover Dam, and wow, what an amazing view. It's very crowded here on the bridge, but I think this is probably one of the better bird's eye views of the dam you can get. And then behind it we have Lake Mead. You can see all the colors of the mountains and the water level and everything. Just so awesome. Alright guys, we made it to the Hoover Dam and we just drove over the Hoover Dam bridge, and behind me is Lake Mead. So let's just take in the scene right here. So that's the bridge that takes us from Arizona into Nevada. That's the Hoover Dam. This is Lake Mead. The water is flowing through the dam, generating electricity. Look at the walls. That is awesome, awesome, awesome.
Welcome to the Nevada wing of the power plant. I would like to direct your attention down the road to the generators. There are 8 that you see here on the Nevada side. We have 9 more on the Arizona side, for a total of 17 commercial generators. Each generator stands 70 feet tall, but you can only see the top 30 feet of them. Just one generator can...
Before we leave the Hoover Dam, we're going to be checking out this overlook. It's called the Lake View Overlook. So we're going to be looking over Lake Mead. Wow. Guys, we've made it to Las Vegas. We're about to go check in and see the sights. Alright guys, well, we just checked into our room here in Vegas for the night. And let's see oh, we got the Sphere right outside our window. We got the Venetian across the street. And we're staying at Harrah's. Wow. Oh my goodness, that's the sphere, so we can see the face in the morning. It makes a face in the morning.
I hope so.
Wow.
Hopefully it'll face towards us.
Alright, well, we need to get some food. Alright, so we're on the casino. We're walking through the casino floor, and there are tons of slot machines and everything. But we're going out. Wow, guys, we are now on the strip. We're trying to find a Venetian.
Already?
Oh, we're gonna have to go around. What the hell? Alright guys, we're trying to see the fountains at the Bellagio, but all of the construction that was done for the Formula One race has just pretty much destroyed any chance of a view. So we're gonna try to find a window and see if we can get a view. Oh wow, and here we are, the fountains of the Bellagio. Everything is kind of covered up with the construction for the F1 race. So they've got the canals of Venice, both inside and outside of the casino, and you can see some gondolas. And now we're gonna go inside and see what we can see on the inside. Wow. That is craziness right there. Guys, we're walking the cobblestone streets. Look at the ceiling. The sky is actually moving as you walk under it. You got the verandas with the flowers. It's almost daytime in here.
walking off the boat.
Alright guys, well we just had dinner here at the Venetian in Las Vegas. I am stuffed. It's time to go to bed. We'll see you tomorrow when we head from Las Vegas to Monterey, California. So we'll pick it up in the morning. Well, good morning YouTube. We're just waking up here in Las Vegas, Nevada. And we are about to hit the road and head on out to Monterey, California.